Well, hello, and welcome to Alex's wardrobe. Now, as you can see, god damn, tell me I'm looking good this morning. We're starting right at the beginning. So, yeah, I mean, I'm walking around in my day shoes with my night dress. Listen, I got on form this morning. There's a bra on, so yes, I'm living my best life. I've done really well for you. There nearly wasn't. Anyway, if you don't know me, I am Alex Keeper, mid-size, middle-aged model, living my best life in my boho chic. And today I'm going to be bringing you a cute little outfit that I'm going to wear today. It's a lovely summer's day. And also, let me just come in here. So I've got full makeup on. This is not what I suggest for you girlies. You know that, but I'm actually filming today. So also, if you don't know me, I am also a middle-aged dominatrix as well. But I do have a sleep channel that has a lot of, it's called Obey. It's like the Obey series. So on there, I've obviously got a full face of makeup and I am filming today. But I wanted to bring you in to take a look at what we're going to be wearing today. Not for filming, obviously. So I got this gorgeous skirt from Temu. It's like a suede kind of feel with a little bit of tassels. So we're going with that lovely Western feel. And you know I'm going to get so much wear out of this in winter as well. I cannot wait to style this up with my boots, with my tights, big chunky jumpers. Honestly, this is like a staple piece. And I'd recommend going any length that makes you feel comfy. I'm going to pair it up with a super simple, easy, comfortable little, I don't really know what you would call this because look, it is Bardo, I guess you'd call it, but it's got this lovely bit at the front because us middle-aged ladies, we have bits and pieces that nobody's happy to show. So a little bit of something to lay over them to flatter is a good idea. And then I just brought in some really cute, simple platform little thongs today. So the first thing we need to do, in case you hadn't realised, we need to take this hair out. Now, how am I going to do this? I'm thinking I just bring you forward. I'm going to bring you in, what? All the way in, lift you up. Hello. Look, all the sets going on. There's two sets on top of each other today. So let's take this out. I know that I've told you, I think I did a how I do my curls, but this is how I really do them. So you can see that. You'll see there's a full video on how to put this together. So I look like an absolute crazy lady right now. I look like that woman of Star Wars with the Padme or something, whatever her name was, with all the things. So if you can tell, my hair, which is reasonably long to start with, but you can do this at any length, is just wrapped alternately one way, and I just scoop a little bit each time, a bit like a French plait. So that's how that works. Then I just add a little hairband in to tie those off. Some people do it with soaking wet hair. Personally, that's a lot. Like, to expect your hair to dry from soaking wet when it's tied up tight like this is silly. So I just put a handful of water, just dampen my hair so that it's still able to dry comfortably. And I also add in a little bit of John Frieda. He's got like a spray in curl definer. I just add a bit of that in. It just keeps the curls quite nice. I'm saying all this. Can you imagine if we take this out today and it just looks horrific? It could do. There's no promises with this hairstyle. So we just loosen them like this. So we're going for almost a slightly 80s wave on my hair today. And we're going to do the same here, just loosening them. I hope you're all having an amazing day. Thanks for staying with me for this boring bit while I'm like untangling them. But as you can see, look, you pull one way, one the next, one the next, one the next. And they go, you can tell, they go quite tight, right? And that John Frieda stuff just really helps to hold them, like define them a bit. So if you just loosen it so that the curl falls off it rather than yanking, because you don't want to separate them too much. So, you ready? Okay, this is what we're now left with. Almost corkscrew, I would call that. perfect every time. It never fails me. Look how pretty the curls are. And of course you could brush these out, but I love this look. I love this look for a little bit, and then when they start dropping, I kind of do something else with them. So I'll throw it together. Let's put this pretty little outfit on, and I'll show you what the whole look looks like. Okay, so let me bring you in with the whole outfit. This is what it looks like together. What do you think? I'll do you a little turn. The skirt is a lovely length, not too short, not showing all those ugly bits that we're trying to hide. Also, you know how I talk about a bit of swoosh. You have got to have a bit of swoosh if you're going boho. So, little bag, and then last but not least, let me show you these earrings. I haven't gone crazy. I do have odd earrings on. That's because I just wanted to show you the options. So this is quite a long dangly look, and this has a paisley look, just like my top. I think I'm gonna go paisley. But let me know in the comments, which pair of earrings do you prefer? Do you think I should go more bold statement or a little bit more matchy-matchy? Can't wait to hear what you think. I'm wishing you the most amazing day. You know what I always say, ladies? Love all your wobbly bits. Mwah!